Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with my last Tucson haul. I know you guys are probably sick of these videos. This is number 4 for JOGS. Let's get started. I'll insert some footage from this seller right here. We're at a different table, and look at these. These are coming home with Mama. My favorite finish. I'm gonna get a strand of those. They're $3. I don't want to ruin the surprise for everything that we're going to get, but look at these. Beautiful.
Attention all JOGS Show attendees and exhibitors. Please make sure to wear your face mask. It is required at all times and is being strictly enforced.
More of my favorite
Your mask must
shapes.
be worn properly.
Gotta get one of these.
And your mouth. Thank you for coming
Or
out
favorite
today.
color, not favorite shape.
We hope you enjoy the show.
And then I have a beautiful yellow.
And please stay safe while shopping.
Oh, there's so much beautiful stuff here. I just told Julia, this is how I go out. I'm hyperventilating. I'm gonna die in this place. Hyperventilating over beads. Look at these. Okay, I might need to come home with a strand of those too. And I actually went to this seller twice. So the first day, I got some really good stuff, and then I was just like bummed that I didn't get more. So then we went back the next weekend, and I got my fill. Definitely got my fill. So this place had $1, $2, $3 strands, but then they also had high-end strands too. This I think out of the entire time in Tucson, this is the most expensive strand I purchased. They are pearls with rhinestones embedded. So my friend Julie got me hooked on these because she has some beautiful jewelry that she's made with them. I'm going to use like 1 or 2 on a project. So anyway, I'm going to hoard them for a little while. These are very expensive. And they have them in tiger eye, onyx, all turquoise, all sorts of different colors. I got some dollar crystals from this lady. Got some yellow and brown, or yellow and orange, and then an orange color with these are AB. So let me put these back in the screen so you can see them. These were $3. They're one of my favorite coatings. That orange, yellow, green, red. There's not very much green in there, if any. I'm loving the square crystals. Same color combo. Some orange teardrop crystals. Little strand, dollar strand of cat's eyes. Peachy orange? No, they're more orange than peach. And then I stood there for a while, and she gave me a really good deal on these. Because I actually almost ordered these from Hallcraft. I've never ordered from Hallcraft, but I saw these on their site and I almost ordered from them. But it's a very long strand of yin and yang Z agate. These are heavy. I don't think I need all of these. I might sell a few of them. I kind of want to like hoard them for a little bit, but if I sell them, they'll probably be $3 or $4 each. Which is pretty much the going price everywhere else that I've looked them up. So I just love them. They're so cool. I don't know how I'm going to decide which one I'm going to sell because they're not all the same. And then this one, just like I went back to one of the sellers to get some Z agates, they didn't have these again this time. The second time we went back because Julie was going to buy them. These are Z agates. And one side has a star and one side has a oh, this one's both stars. I didn't even notice that. Okay, so this one's both stars. This one has a moon and this one has a star. Moon, star. Oh, this one has 2 stars. That one has a moon. That one has both. Okay, so there's 2 that have just stars. These are originally $70, but like I said, she gave me a really good deal because I purchased a lot from her. So yeah, I might sell some of these and I might sell some of these. I just have to like get myself to part with them first because they're so beautiful. Now, this one back here, I noticed you can see through them. I don't know if you can see that, but it's brown. Aren't those just amazing? Just amazing what people can do with stone beads these days. So much fun. So that was, oh, and then I had this donut, but it looks great, but hold on, wait. Look how thick it is. I'm gonna knock somebody out if this thing ever hit somebody in the head while I was wearing it or something. I don't know. It is, I showed you some huge ones from a different seller that were 15 millimeters. These are 18 millimeters wide by about 53 millimeters wide that way. So it's 18 thick, 50 the other way. Yeah, it's like a hockey puck. I just thought it looked so cool. It just looks so cool to me. And then last but not least, this guy stole my heart. It's a turtle shell. It's a turtle shell bead. It is huge. It's a pendant, obviously, or focal. But oh my gosh. And these were $4 each. They were marked at, I think they were marked at $6. But I asked her to come down because I spent so much on the other stuff. So, yeah, this one is 80 millimeters long, no, 60 millimeters long, excuse me, by about 50 wide, just under 50. And then, so that was the first day I hit her shop. And then we went back down there. Normally, guys, I buy a hotel, I go shopping for a few days. I had to cram it all into 2 visits. So when we left, I was kind of bummed. I was like, oh, I should have gotten more Z beads. I should have got more crystals. And then, so when we went back, I did that. These, I got some black crystals, black square crystals. I got some really pretty aqua teal turquoisey ones, hexagons. These I got at a different shop, but they're slightly different than the ones I got at 22nd Street. This must be the new shape this year because I just love it. This different rondelle. So I got turquoise, denim, like cornflower blue. They all have a luster, and this red. These were all $3. And then I got this silver set too. I probably, just so you guys know, I am going to sell some of the beads. I am not going to sell the crystals because even though I like them, some of them are imperfect. I don't care on my own jewelry because I know how cheap they were. I would never knowingly sell imperfect beads to somebody else. Obviously things happen, but I showed these in part of the video from the first time I went, and then I went back and got them because I think these would be really cute on a necklace. So a whole strand of them. They're all different. These, I hadn't seen anything like them. They're rose quartz, but they're matte and they're like shards, like rondelle shards. Originally $35. I think because we had shopped twice with her, she came down to like, I want to say $8 on those. So I just thought they were so pretty. I don't know what kind of stone these are. They're huge barrels. I love the cut. These were $5. I just love the cut on those. And I tell you guys the prices, not to brag or anything like that, because you guys know I'm not like that. Because people have asked me how much they are. If you guys don't want to hear them going forward, totally fine. Just let me know. More of these turquoise crystals. I found these potato chip spacers there. I should have gotten more, but it's okay. I have enough spacers to choke a horse with. I got the same color in like a opaque like translucent white with an AB. I love those. Those are so pretty. Got the potato chip spacers in gold, bright gold. Got these in black. And then I got these. They were on the $5 table, but she like almost rang them up at $12. I was like, no, these were on the $5 table. And so they're just beautiful. Aren't those gorgeous? So yeah, I think she looked at me like, no. I'm like, they're over there on the $5 table. So they were originally $50, but like I would never ever spend that amount of money on these. But aren't they gorgeous? They're huge. What size are these? Oh my gosh, this one's so cool. 16 millimeter. So I thought those were really fantastic. They look like little planets. Very galactic. And then I got my fill of Z beads. So I got these. I think these were $5 a strand. Sounds about right. That was the last one of that one. I did get 2 of these because I just thought they were such a fantastic deal at $5. Those are so pretty. And the thing is, you stretch these out by putting them with less expensive beads. So use 2 or 3 on a project instead of a whole strand, right? Got these. And then last but not least, I got this little wavy strand. They unfortunately didn't have them in the 10 millimeter. They only had them in this 8 millimeter, but I still wanted them really badly, so got them. Yeah, when I went home the first weekend, I was like, I should have gotten those white Z beads. So I made sure to stock up because I don't have any like this. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite thing was from this video. We've made it through the million haul videos from Tucson. Oh my goodness. All right, so thanks so much for watching. Thanks for sticking in there with me. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. Bye-bye.